Hey, hello, hi, namaste, friends. Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to talk about something that is totally changed the way you listen to music, take calls, and yes, even workout. The PTRON Tanget Impulse Neckband Wireless Earphone. So we are the. Is it the old hard-earned cash or just another gimmick? Let's find it out.
Viewers, do subscribe to this channel if you are new.
Alright, let's kick things off with a first look. The earphones looks clean. So here it's written. Let's check the box. As you can see, it has Bluetooth 5.3, 10 hours of playtime, 13 drivers, Type-C charging is there, and touch control, right bird, super featherweight. It is really right, as you can see. And about the price, it's 2600. It's not 2600. It's discounted, so you will get it within 1000 rupees if you ordered it from Amazon. And this number of commodity in the box is 1 unit. What's included is headphone and one charging cable is there. Adapter is not there. So let's open the box and see what's the content inside. Okay, the packing is good. So here we unpack it, and this is the device, that is the earphone, wireless earphone neckband. Okay, it looks really nice and really light, and the material is quite good. Material is as you can see, PTRON here, the logo is here, and let's see what other things are inside. And one charging cable is there, and one warranty. Warranty card is there. Okay, so let's see how to switch on this one. I think this is the power on switch. Okay, when you power on, there is a red blink indicator is blinking. And where is the charging socket? This is the charging. Here we will be able to charge this from here. So it's flexible, super comfy, and the ear tips is snuggy in your ears. You won't feel the discomfort even if you are jamming out for hours. Plus it's got the snug fit that makes you look like you are about to drop the hottest beats at any moment. Yeah, I am confident about it. And the fun part, sound quality. When I first threw this on, played some music, I was impressed. I mean, we are talking about wireless earphones here, not those fancy $200 headphones. Listen, they are solid for the price. From the punchy bass to clear mids and highs, it delivers a pretty balanced sound. I listen to everything from chill acoustic tracks to EDM, and the bass isn't overpowering, but it is definitely make your music pop just the right amount of for a epic workout session. So here's a little secret: whether you are into podcast gaming or watching movies, the sound quality doesn't disappoint you. The audio is crispy, and there's zero lag when you are watching videos. No one wants that awkward sound of sync with the video thing, right? So now let's talk about the battery life. PTRON claims up to 12 hours of daytime after using them for a couple of days. I would say that that's the pretty accurate. I have been using this for commute at any gym and during intense Netflix binges. I didn't have to charge them constantly. Plus the quick charge feature is a lifesaver. Charge this purpose for just 10 minutes and boom, you got a couple of hours of music. Idle for those I forgot to charge my earphones moments. We all have been there. And not to forget, easy to use controls and neckband. You have the pause play button here at your fingertips, and ability to take calls right here. You can take call right here. No need to dig out for your phone with someone's calling. That's convenience to our people. And talking about the durability, it is IPX4 water resistant, so you don't have to worry about sweating buckets, gym, or get caught in light rain with walking outside. and these are the workout session. Even if you're sweaty, they're made up of active for your active lifestyle. And so the PTRON neckband, yeah, they are compatible, sound great, and the battery life is on point. And so it's a thumbs up for me. I want to hear you from you how, like in the comments you can tell me if you liked it or not, and you have tried it or not. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. Till then, I will see you in another video. See you, bye bye, take care, have a great day.